Hello, today I will apply a little paint to this old beat up pickup truck. It looks right now like right out of a horror movie, but I think a little bit of rust can't harm. So I just start painting. This is acrylic paint, a bit of brown and burnt umber mixed together. It looks really like rust or mud or something. And I will apply quite a lot on this in this case because this car is a little bit up and a bit rust. Looks very natural here. So, lean back and enjoy the rest of this video. And in the end I'll show you how it turned out. And don't worry if you apply a bit too much of this paint. You just take a little Q-tip and wipe it right away. It also works quite nice to blend it in a little, like I have done it here. Yeah, just do what you like and don't worry. You can't make mistakes. So let me apply a bit more here on the door. The only problem with these acrylic paints is they are extremely fast drying. I actually wanted to use oil paints, but I did buy the wrong paint. I actually like the look of this car quite a lot. I like this old, beat up, dirty, dark pickup truck style. I have here a script for a nice horror movie with a car like this. So if some producer is here watching this video, just give me $1 million or a couple of $100,000 and I make a really good movie out of this script. Yeah, but if someone has one of those pickups for sale in real life, let me know. I actually don't have any pickups in my collection right now, so yeah, I need a pickup. looks nice. In this case it looks a bit more like mud than like rust, but mud on a pickup is not bad, so let's clean this wheel a bit. Here a bit, there a bit. Yeah, like good old desert mud. A muddy old pickup. Huh? I really like dirty cars. I also like clean cars. And what I like the most is seeing a young beautiful girl in a bikini or without a bikini cleaning a really dirty car with a sponge. So I think this is enough rust or mud for now. Just here a little more and there a little more and touching up some spots and it's finished. So thank you for watching and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you like what you see, well, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to click this stupid little bell so YouTube notifies you if I upload a new video, and there will be some more content like this in the future. Oh, and let me know in the comments what you think. Does it look more like rust or mud? I personally think it looks a bit more like rust. So, goodbye till next time.